everyone! This is a group 4 of Magayon about to discuss the people media, text, and visual information. Before anything else, let's discuss first what is people media. People media refers to the person that are involved in use, analyze, evaluation, and production of media and information. There are two different types of people media. There are people as media and people in media. People as media, they are the media itself, the person who serve the medium of the another person to learn new knowledge. While people in media, there are the people behind another form of media. They uses different form of media such as text media, visual media, multimedia, and etc. Some of the examples of people as media are opinion leaders, citizens journalists, social journalists, and crowdsourcer. Moreover, there are the type of journalists by medium: print journalists, photojournalists, broadcast journalists, and multimedia journalists.
Let's now head on to text. Text is a simple and flexible format of presenting information or conveying ideas, whether handwritten, printed, or displayed on screen. There are two different types of text: formal text and informal text. Formal text-based materials are created and distributed by established institutions and go through a rigorous process of editing or evaluation and are usually governed by censure. Informal text, on the other hand, come from personal opinions or views on different issues, processes, or texts that came from an unknown source. Let's now head on to the types of text. Hypertext serves to link different electronic documents and enable users to jump from one to another in a non-linear way. Hypertext and hyperlinks are interrelated terms and powerful tool cross-linking websites on the net. Hypertext is the word or the text that has been anchored with a reference that takes one to additional source of information instantly by just clicking on it. Hyperlink is the URL to which this hypertext takes one to. Plain text or unformatted text are fixed-size characters having essentially the same type of appearance. While formatted text are appearance that can be changed using font parameters, such as bold, underline, italic, font size, font colors, and etc. Text as visuals are called typeface. Typeface refers to the representation or style of a text in the digital format. It usually comprises of punctuation marks, alphabets, numbers, symbols, and other special characters.
Now, let's move on to the types of typefaces. Serif are usually used for the body of magazine and formality and readability in large amount of text, like textbooks, newspaper, and research publications. Sans serif bring a clear and minimalist look, used for clear and direct meaning of text such as road signage, directory or building, nutrition facts in food packages, give a modern look, and it is used primarily in web page design. Decorative caters to a celebration, fear, cowboys, wide variety of emotion such as horror, etc., or themes such as circus, holidays, summer, etc. Scripts draws much attention to itself because of its brush like a stroke, must be used in sparingly and not be used in large body text. Slab serif carrying a solid and heavy looks to text can be used of large advertising sign on billboards. Let's move on to design principles and elements. Emphasis highlights important text using bold, italics, size, or color. Appropriateness ensures the text suits the audience purpose and readability. Proximity groups related elements together and separate unrelated ones. Alignment position text as left, right, center, or justify. Organization. Arrange text elements logically while maintaining connections using frameworks and spacing for clarity. Repetition. Maintains consistency by repeating typefaces and avoiding excessive varieties for readability. Contrast. Enhance visual interest by using difference in color, size, and font styles.
And now for the visual media and information. Visual media and informations are materials, programs, applications, and the like that teachers and students use to formulate new informations to aid learning through the use, analysis, evaluations, and productions of visual images. Here are the types of visual media: photography, video, screenshots, infographics, data visualization like charts and graphs, comic strips or cartoons, memes, visual note-taking, and etc. Visual design elements are the building blocks or basic units in the constructions of a visual image. The different visual design elements are line, defined shape, structure, and movement. Shapes are geometric or organic areas that stand out. Value is the lightness or darkness creating contrast. Texture is the surface feel or visual illusion of it. Color affects mood and perception, consisting of hue, intensity, and value. Form are three-dimensional objects with volume and depth. Now for the principles and elements. Consistency ensures uniformity in margins, typeface, and colors. Center of interest highlights the focal point in a design. Balance creates visual stability, either symmetrical or asymmetrical. Harmony brings unity to design elements. Contrast differentiate elements to add emphasis. Directional movement guides the viewer's eye through a composition. Rhythm repeats elements to create a flow. Perspective arrangements of objects to create depth in a two-dimensional space.